Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new series which is called the map series, and it is very much important for your upcoming examinations. So let's begin it. So first of all, here we are having the map of India, right? So it's my personal recommendation to all of you that you people need to learn the map of India by heart. That means you people needs to know. That means you people must know, I must say, that what are the different states, where are the different states, where are the location of different territories, and all this along with the capitals. Okay, so next we are going to discuss some of the important centers of Indian national movement, and let's locate and label them. Here we are having the first incident, that is the Jallianwala Bagh incident, which happened in Punjab, Amritsar, and in the chapter Nationalism in India. I have already discussed all the things in detail. Similarly, Kheda, the peasant satyagrah was there. It happened there in Gujarat, but in Kheda district, right? Next is the cotton mill workers satyagrah, which happened again in Gujarat, but in Ahmedabad, right? So again we are having a very much important topic, which was the civil disobedience movement. Basically it was the initial of civil disobedience movement, and it is related to the salt satyagrah. And you all know that Gandhiji started the salt satyagrah movement, and ultimately he reached Dandi, the coastal area of Gujarat, right? So here it is. This is Dandi, from where, after 6th of April, when this Gandhiji broke the salt law. After this, the civil disobedience movement get started. Now we are having one more, that is the indigo peasant movements, indigo planters movement basically, and it happened in Bihar, Champaran. Now we are having one more incident, that is the calling of the non-cooperation movement. That means it was basically the Chora Chori movement in UP. It was in UP. And why this movement happened? Because many of the common masses, they started acting violently, and because of that they even set fire in some of the police stations. Because of these violence, Gandhiji decided to call off the non-cooperation movement. Now here is one more point, that why I was discussing in the previous slide that you must be aware of all the states, all the capitals, and all the union territories. Because when I am saying that Champaran movement, that means the indigo planters movement happened in Bihar, so at least first of all you must be aware of where Bihar is. Right? Where is the location of Bihar in the map of India? Unless and until you know the location of Bihar in India, how you will be able to plot that particular movement? Okay, I hope you people are aware of this thing now. So next we are going to discuss this some of these sessions, these INC sessions. We are not going to discuss all these sessions, but yes, main 4 sessions we have to cover. Let's discuss them one by one. Here we are having the Calcutta session 1920. Calcutta session 1920. So it happens, which state it is? It is West Bengal. It is West Bengal. So in West Bengal, in the Calcutta session 1920, now here you people can get confused between this and this. See, the Nagpur session happened in 1920, Calcutta session also happened in 1920, but the only difference between the two sessions was it happened in September and this session happened in December. Okay, same year but in different months. Now the question is, why, what happened in these sessions particularly? So in Calcutta session, September 1920, what was the discussion? Basically the main agenda of this session was Gandhiji gave a proposal of what? That he wanted to initiate the non-cooperation movement. He gave a proposal in front of INC that we should start the non-cooperation movement. That was the basic funda of this Calcutta session 1920, where it happens in West Bengal, Calcutta, and now it is called as the Kolkata, right? Kolkata. When after that, in December 1920, it happened in Nagpur, and Nagpur is in which state? It is Maharashtra. It is Maharashtra, right? So in Maharashtra, Nagpur city, what type of session was it? What was discussed over there? You remember in Calcutta session in September, the proposal of non-cooperation movement was given by Gandhiji, and in December 1920, the proposal of non-cooperation movement was accepted. That means here the proposal was given and here the proposal was accepted. Which proposal? The initiative of the non-cooperation movement. Okay. Next we are having one more, this Madras 1927 session. I am repeating, it's Madras 1927 session. So it is the Tamil Nadu session. Sorry, not Tamil Nadu session. Sorry, it's the Tamil Nadu state, right? Here we are having the Tamil Nadu state, in which Madras, which is the capital of Tamil Nadu basically, right? That means right now it is having another name, Chennai. So basically Chennai is the capital of this Tamil Nadu, and in Madras, which was the old name of Chennai, 1927 session happened of INC. And what was the agenda of that session? You know, it was that they need to discuss over the agricultural crisis, one thing, and one more discussion was happening there, that was the discussion on the Purna Swaraj. That means whether they should demand Purna Swaraj or not. The discussion on this topic started in this particular session basically. Okay, so it is in Tamil Nadu right now, that is in Chennai. Maybe some of the students may be getting confused that this is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and Tamil Nadu, all these states are merged. So it was before independence, when the division of states, many of the states were not divided. If you remember the topic, a linguistic policy. So it was a language policy or linguistic states. So you remember that after independence, some of the states were divided on the basis of languages, right? Next we are having one more we need to discuss. Basically we are having some other session also, but we need to discuss here one more session only, that is the Lahore session 1929. Lahore session 1929. It was the time when India and Pakistan was not separated. It was a single country, right? And at that time Lahore was also the part of India. Now it is in Pakistan, but at that time Lahore was also the part of India basically. So what was the agenda of this session particularly? In this session, what they did, they demanded the Purna Swaraj. Okay. Now next move on to the next slide. Here we are having some of the dams over here. Let's discuss them one by one. So first of all, let me discuss about the Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam, first of all, which state it is? It is Uttarakhand. Okay, Tehri Dam is located in Uttarakhand, and on which river? It is on Bhagirathi river. I'm repeating, it is located in Uttarakhand. It is located in Uttarakhand and on the river Bhagirathi. And one more point, it is the highest dam in India. I'm repeating, Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India. Okay. Now, let's move on towards the Salal Dam. Salal Dam, which is also known as the Salal Hydroelectric Power Station. It is situated in J&K. Okay, it is situated in J&K and it is built on Chenab River. Okay, I'm repeating, it is built on Chenab River in Riyasi district of J&K. And yes, here you need to be little bit careful because before the Reorganization Act of 2019, J&K and Ladakh was a single state. But now, if you need to plot it, you have to plot it somewhere here. Because this particular area is the Ladakh. Okay, I hope you get this point. Now, the third dam is the Bhakra Dam. Okay, third one is the Bhakra Dam, which is situated, or I should say, which is located in Bilaspur district of Himachal Pradesh. So, which state it is? It is Himachal Pradesh. And which district of Himachal Pradesh? The Bilaspur, right? And it is built on Satluj River. It is built on Satluj River. Next one is the Hirakund. The Hirakund Dam, which is in the district which is located in the Sambalpur, Odisha. I'm repeating, Hirakund is located in Sambalpur, Odisha. Right. So, Sambalpur, Odisha. And one more thing, the river on which this Hirakund Dam is built is Mahanadi. I'm repeating, it is Mahanadi. Right. Next one is the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Okay, we are having the next dam, which is the Sardar Sarovar Dam, and it is built on Narmada River in Gujarat. See, don't get confused over here. It is on the borderline of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. But yes, basically this it is basically located in the Gujarat district. So whenever you want to locate it here, you have to locate it exactly at the borderline where Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh are meeting. I hope this point has been clear to you very well. Next, we are having some of the forest. Again, as I told you people, we are not going to discuss all of the parks here, but yes, we need to discuss some of the major. Like here, first of all, let me discuss about the Sundarban National Park. Sundarban National Park is basically a tiger reserve. I'm repeating, it is basically a tiger reserve and it is located in West Bengal. I'm repeating, it is located in West Bengal and it is also called as, it is situated in Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. It is situated in Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, right? Next one is the Kaziranga National Park. The Kaziranga National Park, which is in it is here it is, and where it is located? It is located in Assam. I'm repeating, it is located in Assam, right? Next one is the Ranthambore. I hope you know which state it is. It is Rajasthan. And the next one is the Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Rajiv Gandhi National Park is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it is located in Andhra Pradesh. Right. One more national park we are having here, which is Kanha National Park. Here it is, the Kanha National Park, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. And one more thing, it is also a tiger reserve. So here we have discussed near about 4 to 6 national parks, that is Sundarban, Kaziranga, Ranthambore, Kanha and Rajiv Gandhi. I hope these things are clear. And one more thing I want to add here, that whatever information I have provided you in this presentation, all this information it's important for your examination. But yes, when you need to plot these things on the map, you just have to do one thing, that you need to learn where the location of that particular thing or that particular place which is being asked to you in the question. Nobody will ask you for which thing Sundarban National Park is famous, for which this Sundarban National Park is famous for, but you have to be aware of where this Sundarban National Park is located. Right? I hope these things been clear to you.